Bingx offers $50,000 for trading. Join the program and test your skills. Hey there, my dude. Are you ready to dive headfirst into the wild and crazy world of cryptocurrency trading? If so, then you're in for a real treat, my friend. Bingx, the crypto exchange that's shaking up the game, has just announced a mind-blowing offer that's gonna have you jumping for joy. Now, listen up, because this is the kind of opportunity that doesn't come around every day, my man. Bingx is literally handing out a cool 50 grand to the lucky traders who put their skills to the test. That's right, 50 grand just for showing off your trading chops. It's like winning the lottery, but without the hassle of buying a ticket, you feel me. But hold on, it gets even better, my dude. When you register on Bingx, you gotta use the referral code -911. That's gonna hook you up with some sweet perks like exclusive access to the trading program and a whole bunch of other goodies that'll have you feeling like a high roller. Now, I know what you're thinking. Yo, Ryan, this sounds too good to be true. But let me tell you, my friend, this is the real deal. Bingx is legit, and they're serious about this whole trading program thing. They're putting their money where their mouth is, and they want you to be a part of it. So, what are you waiting for, my dude? This is your chance to show the world what you're made of and get your hands on some serious cash in the process. Just head on over to Bingx, use the referral code -911, and get ready to trade like a boss. Now, I know what you're thinking. Ryan, how do I even start trading crypto? Well, my friend, that's where the beauty of this whole thing comes in. Bingx has got your back. They've got a team of experts who are gonna walk you through the whole process, from setting up your account to making your first trade. And let me tell you, once you get the hang of it, trading crypto is gonna be the most thrilling ride of your life. It's like a high-stakes game of chess, but with digital coins instead of pawns. You're gonna be glued to your screen, watching the prices fluctuate like a roller coaster and making split-second decisions that could make or break your bank account. But don't worry, my dude, Bingx has got your back. They've got all the tools and resources you need to become a trading pro, from real-time market data to advanced charting tools. And with that 50 grand on the line, you know you're gonna be bringing your game. So, what are you waiting for, my friend? Head on over to Bingx, use the referral code 911, and get ready to make some serious cash. This is your chance to show the world what you're made of and prove that you're the best darn crypto trader around. And remember, my dude, all the correct links and contacts are under this video as well as in the attached comment. So be sure to watch the video all the way to the end, and don't forget to register on Bingx using that referral code -911. Trust me, you're gonna be glad you did. Now, let's get to it, my friend. It's time to show the world what you're made of and take home that sweet, sweet 50 grand. Crypto trading is where it's at, and Bingx is the place to be. So, what are you waiting for? Let's do this.